Hello, good people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. Nigerians have reacted to the choice of Bola Ahmed Tinubu to go for a Muslim ticket. Forget that yesterday he unveiled to the entire Nigeria his new running mate in the person of Kazim Shettima, who is an ex-governor of Borno State. And Nigerians are not happy at all. There are a lot of reactions coming in. Most of the presidential aspirant, example, So of NNPP, has reacted to it. Atiku Abubakar has reacted to it. You're going to hear what he had to say. But most shockingly is the reaction of the Khan chairman of Borno State, who claims that he knows the person of Kazim more than that's Kazim Shettima more than all other Nigerians, as he clearly tells Nigerians who he is and give an idea of what he did in the past to prove that he is not a religious bigot. We're going to be listening to exactly what the Khan chairman of Borno State have to tell Nigerians. But before we do that, if you're not subscribed to our channel, please do well. Hit on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you can get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, Bishop Mohammed Naga, Chairman Christian Association of Nigeria, CNA, Khan, Borno State has held the selection of the former governor of the state, Kazim Shettima, as Bola Ahmed Tinubu's running mate for the next year's presidential elections coming up on February. Naga said Shettima is not a religious bigot, adding that he has nothing to fear about him. It has been reported that Tinubu, the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC, revealed on Sunday that Shettima will be his running mate in 2023. The Muslim ticket of the APC has seen stirred reactions. Tinubu explained that although they were concerned about the Muslim ticket, he chose Shettima because the former governor of Borno State would bring the best governance to Nigeria, irrespective of religion or tribe. Hmm. Reacting to the announcement, Naga, in a statement on Monday, said he was happy Tinubu made his mind known to the general public in the person of his preferred running mate, Shettima. Naga's statement reads in part, he said, "My brothers, those who are not from Borno State, may not know, but you and I know better. Governor Shettima, in the history of Borno State, is the only governor that has sponsored the highest number of Christian pilgrims ever every year since 2011. I'm speaking boldly without fear or favor because as Khan chairman, I don't receive salary or cover from the government or any institution, but the fact needs to be told. For example, when people were driven from their ancestral homes, they fled to Madugri, and the governor personally came to Khan Center in Jerusalem Ward two times in June and July 2014. He gave 10 million naira for their upkeep at first instance, but the victims weren't many. By the end of October 2014, the IDPs from Woza increased to 42,000 in that camp alone. Governor Shettima came again and gave 10 million naira. He also gave an additional 5 million naira to Christians from Borno who fled to Cameroon to be returned home. Sincerely speaking, as a Christian and a preacher, absolutely I have nothing to fear about Siwaju picking a Muslim as his running mate because he is not a religious bigot, and I am happy he has made his mind known to the public in the person of his preferred mate. Seeing another presidential candidate applauding him is a plus for him and supporters of Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Congratulations to the awaiting president and vice president. But guess what? Atiku Abubakar have a different view about it. I just want to share what Atiku said. In Atiku's statement, this is what he said. He said, politics is meant to be a corrective mechanism. So even when we are upset about the inexcusable low that the ruling All Progressive Congress APC has brought us in the past 7 years, we must ensure that we insulate our politics from the corrosive effect of the ruling party's failures. Atiku noted that a society cannot progress if its politics is divisive. According to him, he said, "Dear friend and compatriot, the journey that we have signed on to undertake today or together is not one that we can accomplish by trading the inglorious part of exclusionist politics. This journey, our campaign, is a rescue mission for this nation, and it is a mission that must involve all Nigerians. So, while our opponent might think that there is an easy road to victory in divisive politics, we must get the message across to them that Nigeria has seen the worst shade of exclusionist politics, and the road ahead is a path of inclusive and unifying politics. That is what we stand for." He further stated, he said that his party are unifiers and a bridge builder and represent the future of a peaceful and prosperous Nigeria, unlike the ruling party. I mean, this alone has knocked out the person of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. I was shocked when I saw the choice he made of a man by name Shettima. Now, whenever such things happen, Nigerians will go into their archives to bring up a lot of things. The latest was the discussion that we heard him have with I think, former governor of Ogun State, where he talked about this same issue of politics, and that's Ibikunle Omosun. After listening to Shettima's recording with Kunle, I hope that you people will stop gaslighting the Igbos whenever they raise concern of conspiracies to sabotage them. No other tribe in Nigeria is hated like the Igbos, and their concerns are valid. That was a statement from some other person. Another person here says, as if Muslim ticket isn't enough insult on millions of Nigerian Christians. Tinubu has to go with a guy who allegedly threatened fire on Igbos and their businesses in Lagos and the North in a leaked phone call with the then Ogun State Governor Ibikunle Amosun. We played too much. Another person reacting to it said, this is the face of a new Nigeria country that works for everyone, not a privileged few. Tinubu, Shettima, Southeast and Southwest decision is wrong. I don't know what the person is talking about. This one said, I am not surprised at the report that Rabi Kwankwaso may collapse his structure for Tinubu in the future. It was clear from the divisive comments he made about Igbos and the movement that serving Nigeria isn't in his thought at all. Now, let's try to be very frank about this whole thing. The choices are wrong. Let's be real. You cannot, in a country where we have at least maybe 50-50 in terms of Muslim and Christian, or let's say 45-45, and then pagans and the rest, traditionalists, would take the chunk of thing. And you decide, amidst millions of Christians in the North, you decide to choose someone who is of the same religion with you. Nigerians are not happy at all. I'm hopeful that he will have a little thing, because right now, for example, a place like Southern Kaduna, they have already concluded they will not give him any vote. A lot of people too have complained severally about it. I'm just wondering, it's unthinkable. I'm telling you, it's unthinkable. But what amazes me most is the fact that a current president in Borno State is supporting it, as if he has no idea of how many people down the south that want to see a Christian pair up with a Muslim. No matter what you're saying, we're trying to salvage the country, we're trying to correct the narratives and all of that. Is totally wrong to make such decision. I hope that he really knows what he's doing, because right now a lot of people will have to take a backward move and leave the party and make their own choices. But however, he said he has his own good reason why he had to make the choice. We'd like to leave it there. Just go to our comment section. Do you think that this current president has done the right thing by making such a statement in the public, or do you think that the choice of Muslim ticket for APC is the right move in the right direction?